No, Anthony, thanks for coming again. I was going to ask you first, before the treatments, what were you feeling in your leg that we treated? We treated the left leg.
Soreness, pain, especially discomfort at night trying to sleep. Swelling was majority of the factor, and an appearance from the back.
The backside, you had some varicose veins.
Yes.
Okay. So we did an ablation to the saphenous vein and the thigh and the calf, and we didn't even touch the varicose veins. We were going to plan to do that this time around, but it looks like they closed up on the scan. And how do your legs feel now?
A lot better. Swelling's gone down tremendously. I don't get the pain and discomfort, especially trying to sleep. So it's been
Some improvement there. Great.
big improvement.
All right, so I think we're good to go for a while. We'll probably reach out to you in about 5 months and
Yep.
see how you're doing.
Awesome.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.